This is because YouTube age restricts all my shit. If you are under 18, leave. Hey everybody, welcome back. Going for another hike today. Just gonna go back to Jump Creek and just gonna go around this time. I didn't do that last time, so I'm gonna try and do that. Go check some shit out this time. Yeah, just a little bit of smoking and just a fun hike. So, try to get a couple shots while I'm fucking driving, but probably gonna be pretty not that great. Happens. Just a fields, pretty much fields till I get to where I'm going. So. And yes, I need a new windshield. Alrighty, let me find my fucking top. The best fucking device ever. Fuck. There we go, shit. I gotta hold this bitch again. Just gotta figure a good place to set this. Maybe next time I'll smoke in the back or something like that of some sort. But it's just a quick fucking dab real quick before we get on our trail. Get some motivation. At least that's my motivation. It's almost done. Sorry if it's super shaky. My hand's not that sturdy. Not apologies. Alright, we're ready. Fuck yeah. Smoking on some Williamette Red Jamaica, whatever the fuck it is. So many fucking strains nowadays. Sweet guys, so let's get to it. Car's waiting on there. Hey man, that was more straight up than I fucking thought. Damn. Whew. Finally not going uphill for a fucking second. Kind of want to try it and go down that way, but I'm by myself, so it makes me a little nervous. I don't know, because if I just slip at all, I'm just fucked. We'll have to see. Not quite sure. Oh, there's a bird over there. Oh, fucking get out of the way, glove. Oh, it's fucking somewhere. There they are. Those are those same two fucking birds. So everybody, so I guess this was technically part 2 of the waterfall hike, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But yeah, just hope you have a wonderful day. Just have a great time. Just, I don't know, just be happy. That's my main thing. Just feel like just being happy is the key to life. So yeah, just kick ass. Fuck yeah, guys. Have a good one. Peace out. Also, guys, I think I'm gonna do a more kind of like a part 3 around this area. I'm gonna go back up and then spend like a whole day so I can have like 3 or 4 hours to actually take a few miles to actually like really get into here. I'm only like, I think about a mile and a half in. I'm not that far, so even though it's mostly way up. But next time, let me know if that's what you guys want. But fuck yeah.